Hey, seventh graders, it's Mrs. Johnson. Your first choice for today is to make a snow person or a snowman. So what you'll do is you can watch this little video and then have this song stuck in your head the rest of the day. The second thing you're going to do is make a copy of the genetics. So you will make a copy of it like this. Click make a copy. It'll take a minute, and then your copy of that worksheet will open up. Okay. Then what you are going to do is fill in the top part here, and then to create your snowman you will need a coin. Okay, and so what you'll do is you will, for all of the traits, you'll be flipping a coin which determines which allele you get from each parent, and then you'll type the genotype and the phenotype. Okay, so I'm going to show you just the first one. So I'm going to use the highlight tool to highlight mine. All right, so the first one would be the body. So it's going to be 3 snowballs would be the dominant trait, 2 would be the recessive trait. So my first coin flip, I got heads. Okay, and so that's going to be the dominant trait. Okay, oops, it's not letting me highlight it. The second one, I got tails. So I'm going to use the recessive trait. So then my genotype would be big B, little b. And my phenotype, what it looks like, that's going to be, well, I have 1 dominant allele and 1 recessive allele, so this is heterozygous. So because I have 1 dominant allele, I'm going to show the dominant trait. So my phenotype is going to be 3 snowballs. All right, then I do it again if I have a carrot nose or a banana nose. So my first flip, I got tails, so that's going to be recessive, or it's going to be the second trait. My second flip, I also got tails, which is going to be this. So my genotype then is little c, little c. Since this is homozygous, I have 2 of the same alleles, and they're both recessive. I have homozygous recessive, so my snowman is going to show the recessive traits. I'm going to have a banana nose. All right. Then you are going to continue to do all the rest of this for your snow person. Okay, I'm going to pause while you do that. All right, I did all of my traits for the top part, which is our complete dominance. Incomplete dominance is another thing where if you are homozygous, so you have 2 of the same alleles for dominant, you'll show the dominant trait. For recessive, you'll show the recessive trait. But if you have 1 of each, so if you're heterozygous, you're going to show this third trait in here. Okay, so if I did this one, let's say I flip my coin, and first I got a dominant trait here, and then let's say I got a recessive trait here. So instead of this showing the dominant trait, it's going to show the middle trait. So this would have a goatee. Okay, so go ahead and do that for the rest of these. All right, so now I finished my rest of my coin flipping and my genotypes and phenotypes for my snowman. So now I'm going to go back, and I am going to go down to here and make a copy of the snow person slideshow. To make another copy of it. And I'm going to build my snowman, and it's going to look the same as the traits on this first sheet. Okay, so I'm going to start out, mine is made of 3 snowballs. Okay, and there is directions on here. It says you can insert different pictures if you need to. All right, so I'm going to go to this very last slide because that's the one that I'm going to take a picture of at the end. I'll delete this stuff. I don't know why this is on here. Oh, this is an example. So we'll just go to the first slide. Sorry about that. So mine has 3 snowballs, so that one is already good. If yours has 2, just delete one. Mine has a banana nose, so I got to go to the noses page. Well, there isn't a noses page, so I am going to have to search. So I can go down here to search and type in banana, right? Enter. Oops, sorry. I think I was on the wrong thing there. Okay, then I go to images, and I can find a banana and I can put that in as my nose. I'm going to search it as a PNG so that I don't have any background on it. So maybe I'll do this one. Insert that. Oh, that one has a weird background. Try another one. I don't know. Oh, I don't know why the background is showing up on those. It should not be. Here we go. There we go. So I'm going to make that quite a bit smaller. And I'm going to put that as his nose there. Okay. And you can unlink it like this right here. All right. Then I'm going to do the same thing for all the rest of my traits. And some of the traits you can find in these other slides. So go ahead and put together your snowman. All right, after you're done with your snowman, I got most of the pieces of my snowman. He's super cute. Some of the things like the yellow snow, I couldn't do, and there was another one I couldn't find. But then you're going to write a little story about your snowman. Then you will take a screenshot. So I'm just going to screenshot this. Nope. And it's not screenshotting. I think it might not be screenshotting because I'm on a video. Oh, there we go. Then I'm going to go back into the media post right here and add media, attach files. Maybe. Oops. Well, for some reason it's not working, but I should be able to then choose my screenshot and then click add media, and it should show up into this media album. All right. So if you have questions, go ahead and let me know. Otherwise, have fun and have a good break. Bye.